Hey guys, welcome back to the e-commerce bartender. In the previous video, we talked about how to create an Amazon listing, but we weren't able to save and finish because we didn't have a UPC code. So I bumped up the UPC code video up till today. And just to let you know, I'm going to show you guys where I source my UPC codes at. And also later in the video, I will be showing you guys how to send those labels to your supplier in China. So let's get right to it. As you guys can see, I have the Barcodes Mania website pulled up here, and it's fairly simple, guys. These are, I believe, recycled UPC codes that people resell. Some people I've heard have had troubles with these. I haven't yet. I bought a couple from them, and all I do, it's very simple, is you press on this, you buy the barcode, they send it to you a couple days, and you're finished. So the next thing that we're going to talk about as well is how to send these barcodes to your supplier. Re-click off that. So first I want to tell you guys, you're going to be on the Amazon Seller Central page, and you're going to go to Inventory right up here in the left-hand side, and you're going to click Manage Inventory. That's going to bring you to this page where we're at right now. The next thing I want you guys to click is come down here next to your product and click this arrow. It's going to give you a bunch of options right here, and you're just going to choose Print Item Labels. Okay, and this is going to take you to another page where I typically put in 30 because they always show up in 30. So I don't know if you need to do that or not. I just always have. And then I hit Print Item Labels. Okay, and then that's going to show up. Press OK real quick. It's going to have a download right here for you guys. All you do is click that download, and this is what you guys come up with. Basically, you just send this PDF document over to China to your supplier, and it's all done. So that's going to probably sum up the video again today, guys. Any information you need is in the description below. I got some tools down there. I also have some information down there on how to get a call with me one-on-one. You guys have a great day and prepare for the next video tomorrow. And just a reminder also, guys, if you need to know where we're at in the mini course, just check the link below. And you guys have a great day and take care.